Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink Link tokens for better trading opportunities or security, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Kraken, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your KuCoin wallet. Always double-check that you're using the correct blockchain network. Chainlink typically runs on Ethereum, so we'll stick with that. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Chainlink holdings. Click on Withdraw next to Chainlink. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details, but don't rush. Grab the receiving address from Kraken first. Now, switch to Kraken. Log in. Go to your deposit page and select Chainlink. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Make sure it matches the Ethereum network to avoid any lost funds. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent scams. Back on KuCoin, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Kraken and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your Chainlink tokens. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers can be irreversible, so always use the right networks and double-check details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.